Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports on your personal computer. First, you will need an emulator, which is software that mimics a game console. Dolphin is the most popular and reliable choice for Wii games, offering excellent compatibility. Before starting, ensure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for the best experience. Next, you'll need the actual game file, known as a ROM, for Wii Sports. You also require a Wii BIOS file, which is crucial for the emulator to start correctly. It is important to legally acquire these files by dumping them from your own physical Wii console and game disc. This ensures you own the content you are playing. Once you have Dolphin installed, open it and navigate to the configuration settings. Here, you can set up your controls, whether you prefer a keyboard, mouse, or a dedicated gamepad. After configuring your input, simply go to Open or Load in the Dolphin menu and select your Wii Sports ROM file to begin playing the game. To enhance your experience, explore Dolphin's graphics settings. You can increase the internal resolution for sharper visuals, often up to 4 times the original. Also, try different audio and video backend options if you encounter any performance issues. If you run into problems, many online communities and forums offer solutions for common emulator challenges, helping you optimize your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.